those who believed in Al-Qadeer, small Bedouin Arabs from the middle of the desert, they conquered Rome. They conquered Spain. They conquered civilization. They built the greatest empire the world ever saw. Nobody could stand in front of them. But today, one of the reasons we struggle and we hit brick wall and we can't progress, we can't succeed, is because we think to be powerful, we have to have money, we have to have wealth, title, company, this status, that resource, this tool. Allah teaches us, let go of the stick. And Allah will allow the stick to split the sea. Think about that. Before Musa was a prophet, alayhi salam, he could hit the trees with the stick. But when he began to trust in Allah and the power of Allah, this small stick could split the sea. Trust in Al-Qadeer, and He will give you abilities, and He will make the impossible possible if you trust and you make dua and you break down and you realize, أنا الفقير, I am the needy, وهو القدير, and He is the all-able, وهو على كل شيء مقتدر, He can do anything, لا تدركه الأبصار, no eye can perceive Him, وهو يدرك الأبصار, and He can perceive everything, يدبر السماوات والأرض, He manages the atoms of the heavens and the earth, يمسك السماء والأرض أن تزولا, He holds the sky in its place, He holds the earth in its place, He holds the ship in the sea, He lets the birds fly at night. لا إله إلا هو وهو على كل شيء قدير. And before you all go, to summarize, we said Allah's name Al-Qadeer means He's unrestrictedly powerful. And for us to appreciate this, first we have to start spending time in nature. Take your family to the Peak District. Take them to the Lake District. Go to the park. Sit them in front of the mountains. Let them see the greatness of Allah. Let them appreciate the nature of Allah. Get them off the screens. Get them off the devices. Cancel your Netflix subscription. Cancel your YouTube subscription. Stand in front of the mountains, the lions, the beauty of the sky. And that should be your subscription. And that will make you and me appreciative that Allah ala kulli shay'in qadir. The second thing is to appreciate that Allah's qadr means He does taqdeer. He measures everything perfectly. He places it precisely. And that includes your life and my life. Everything happened for a reason. And when we understand and appreciate this, we will feel so much reassurance and so much trust in Allah. Thirdly, knowing that Allah is Qadeer, Al-Qadeer, should make you ambitious. You should never think small. You should never think limited. Because if you believe that Allah is all-powerful, then He can make you do anything. He can make you conquer Spain. He can open to you Bilad al-Sham. He can give you back Masjid al-Aqsa. But we have to trust in Him again and stop trusting in the stick and the phone and the resources that we have. He is unlimited in resource. And lastly, we should always remember the dua of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Knowing Allah is Al-Qadeer makes you realize I am nothing. And when you realize that, you start to trust in Him and not trust in yourself. لا إله إلا هو العزيز الحكيم وصلى الله وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. And don't forget every morning and evening 100 times لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.